Hi friends, so today we will learn how to make LED katana. So for making this blade, I have taken a 10 mm acrylic sheet and I got the blade laser cutted. So I got it laser cut, and generally the blade will be totally transparent. After doing a laser cut, you have to sand the blade entirely with sandpaper on three sides, on the left and right side of the blade, on the bottom side of the blade, and for the above side of the blade we'll need to keep it transparent as it is. We do not need to sand. And once that's done, take an LED strip and measure the length of the blade all the way. Consider this as well, all the way from here till the tip of the blade, and cut the LED strip. And once that's done, solder the wires to the LED strips, and once that's done, you will need to move the wires through this. So for the Suba section, I have mentioned a hole here, I have added a hole here. From there you need to move the wires into the handle. So even for the handle there are holes. So once you move the blade inside, you need to first take around 20 centimeters of wire, a wire which is longer than the handle, and pull those three wires from the handle for the LED strip. And once you pull those wires, we will need to solder them to Arduino Nano, and as well we also need to solder these three potentiometers and a push button, along with an on-off switch that you can see here. And once that's done, slowly push the Arduino Nano inside till it goes here. And before that, so once you get the blade laser cut, remove around 3 inches of blade. So the blade part will be till here, so we do not need that much here. Remove around 3 inches of blade, and after that try pushing the handle and insert the Arduino Nano and push it as much further as it goes. And once that's done, slowly push the potentiometer, try keeping it up from the inside, and solder drill 2 holes and fit it with screws. And once that's done, the same goes for the on-off push button as well. Slowly insert the push button and keep it above, and while it's above, hold it and push in the batteries. So the batteries that I have used here are these 3.7 volt LiPo batteries. You need to take 2 of them and connect them in series, and then power the Arduino using the series. And this is the charger that we need to buy for these batteries. And once we push those 2 batteries inside, you need not glue the push button, because the batteries are already inside and they will not let the push button come down, so that you can use it as it is. And once that's done, for the below part, I have already kept a hole here for the on-off switch. These switches I will also mention the link for all the components, and you can get the templates and the STL files. You can buy them in the website I will mention. And for the bottom part, once you attach the on-off switch, so on-off switch you need not glue it. I have kept the dimensions according to the switch itself. You just need to press the switch hardly from the inside, so that it comes out a little bit on the outside, so that you can on it off. And once that's done, you need to drill 2 holes on 2 sides of the handle and attach the screws. Even for the blade part, you need to drill a hole here, and another hole here. You can probably do 3 holes as well, but I suggest doing 2 holes, one on this side and one on this side. That would be enough. So for now I haven't done that, but let me show you how the katana works. So I have added basically 6 modes, and in the code itself you can try adding more functionalities, more effects. So I have added 3 primary colors. This is the red, and then the green and blue. So anyone who wants primary colors, they can just use these primary colors without any issues. So once you press the button, it's red, then you press it again, it's green, then blue. And so these are the 3 modes RGB. Then next is the 4th mode, that is the custom mode. So anyone who wants a custom color without any RGB, you take these custom colors, you try rotating the potentiometers, and based on that you will get the desired color. So this purple color you can use either for a guy in a Bleach anime, or probably Luffy or any other characters. And so little purple. So in such a way you can change colors as required for this. And then the next one is the rainbow color. So this rainbow one is the 5th mode, and so anyone with any requirement for rainbow can use this 5th mode. And the last mode is the fire mode. So this fire mode I have designed it especially for Tanjiro or any other characters which uses fire sword. Red, green, blue, custom color. Same, this is the 4th mode, custom color again, rainbow and fire effect. You can find all the templates in the link I will mention in the description. And thank you folks, that's it for today.